We are having radical, like addition and subtraction of radicals. That's what we are doing right now. Some other part of the world, they will call it sort. Note something, that root, the radicals, the one with the square root, they will be acting like you have your x and y in number. A root 3, they are similar by the what? That root 3 that they have. So we can add those, something like coefficient with them, the number with them, we can add it together. And that will be like what? 5 positive 8, that will be 13. 13 root 3. So when you have 13 root 3, then look at the other one, negative 2 root 5. Root 5 is not the same as root 3, right? Then we just leave it as negative 2 root 5. And then that will be our answer. The way we add on 5x, positive 8x, let's say negative 2y. The way we add, the way we work on this, that's the way we work on this one. When they are with addition and subtraction, that's the way you will work on them. So, but when they are like multiplication, if you have 5x times ax, that will be what? That will be 40x squared, right? So, if you have that kind of thing, let's say with your multiplication now. So, if you have, let's say 5x times ax times 2y, what will be the answer for this? Because I want to show us something that has to do with a radical in line with this. So the moment it is multiplication like this, you are multiplying, whether x and y, everything will go together. Multiplication, the whole thing will be multiplied together. So whether you have it as x or y, multiplication, they will all be multiplied. I mean, those numbers will all be multiplied. That should be 40 times 2. That should be area coefficient. Yeah, that's it. So, and as you are multiplying all the coefficients, you have to put in all their x and y as well. You have to put their x and y's as well. So that means this one will be 40x squared multiplied by 2y, which will now be 80x squared y. Yeah, the way we are taking x and y stuff, we operate on radical when it is multiplication as well. So let me show us one thing that has to do with multiplication on radical now. So I will not clean this, I will just put something like this. Let's say we have 5 root 3 multiplied by a root 3. What will be the answer for us? What will be the answer for this? Let me tweak it. Let me mark it. What will be the answer for that? For that one, what will be the answer? Quickly solve it. When you are working with multiplication, that will be, you have to multiply all those things together. Yes, definitely people that are sending root 9, yes, 3. Then you will now multiply by the other coefficient. You now multiply by the other coefficient. So yeah, the answer will now be 120. And that's why when you are doing multiplication that has to do with radical, so just put your mind in the way we all those x, all those 5x with as together, the way you will multiply, the same thing you will do when you are multiplying radicals. So whether they are they are radical parts, whether they are alike or not, you multiply them together. Our answer is 40 multiplied by root 3 times 3, which will be 40 times 3, and that will be 120. Yeah, that's it. So let's say we now have 5 root 3 multiplied by a root 3 multiplied by 2 root 5. So what will be our answer for that?